Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to another motivational video of building a house in Ghana. And if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Gigo, and today we are at the Boom project, which is the apartment we are building for one of our local guys here in Ghana. He's just a local person who is dreaming of putting up some investment deals, and we also trying to advise and adjust one or two things. Initially, it was an hostel. He started this project 10 years ago when he started with the foundation. That was like 10 years ago. And yeah, you just have to pause. And recently, when we came together as a production group where we have a supplier, we have a steel bender as a set, it is easy, to push him up and help him. He's doing a great job. He's doing a great job. So then we came together to put up this convert this hostel into apartment, as I always preach here on the channel, and we are going step by step. So the last episode of this project was the concrete casting. We did half of it, as you can see, and then today we are moving to the next part of the project. So this was 3 weeks ago when we did a concrete casting. We did this 3 weeks ago. So I just wanted to show you how it was and how it's looking after the concrete casting. I'm sharing this to motivate someone out there who wants to do something, but he's confused and thinking whether to make a move or not, and money issue. Investment like this takes time, so you also have to take your time to do it. It was 10 years ago when he did the foundation. A whole 10 years he did a foundation, and then he paused, and after 10 years we come back, and then we raised the building up in just 4 months this year. you know like I said, we have the strong team, we have a supplier, we have everybody on site, so when we come together, the force is huge. My contractor started this project, like I said, 10 years ago when we didn't know each other. You can check around the community. Just imagine how this place would look 10 years ago. It was quite a bushy place. Construction is not a race. When you buy your land, just give it some time. Give it some time. All you have to do is to secure it with a structure, which in this case we did the foundation. And you have your peace of mind. Nobody will try to even buy a land that has a structure on it, or someone will try to sell the land. Nobody is interested in it. You have your peace of mind. Whenever you are ready with your money, you come back and then you continue. And now the place is developing. That's why the owner is trying to do something on it. So you can check out the beautiful job done by the team. I always say check the color of the concrete casting. That's how you know what went into the concrete casting. A very good mixture we have here.
We are taking off the wood. It's the staircase, a wide one, with the boom very smooth. You turn on the lamp. This is the half side of it.
So after 21 days, we are back on site now, and we are here to continue with the other phase of the structure, which is the other side, which you can see FO is busy now with his team, going for the lintel stage. And we also took the wood from the other side, which was already casted, and we are going to place them right here, just as we did with the hill project. So you can see A4 is on a level now with the lentil beams. Everything is calculated, measured nicely. And they also took off the wood. That's why you see the bamboos down there. So we are taking the wood from the other side where we casted and coming to the next phase. And this is when you have a very good team that can manage, your materials and your finance for you. You don't have to buy a lot of wood. Even we might buy some few woods, but at least it's not going to be that much. So this is where we took the wood, everything, and then we're gonna take it to the next phase. So the owner don't have to buy wood anymore. Maybe just buy few, just to support. And yeah, the only thing here is to just go for your labor work, and then it's just done. It's just done. Building is that simple. It's that simple. So after this, the iron guys will come. So you have to buy your iron rods again, your electrical pipes, cement, and then we just go for another decking, and then you are done with the ground floor. And the focus next is the block work again, and then you go for your roofing. So that's the process of building. It seems a lot. It's a lot of money, but if you have a great team, there's always a way of going through the building process. That's why you always have to consider the Gigo production group. You can use our carpenter, you can use our foreman, you can use our mason. You don't necessarily have to use all of us for your project at once. So today's message is that it doesn't matter when you start with your foundation. The most important thing is that you get your structure done, you know, with ease, without no stress. You don't have to put in everything and squeeze yourself. You go stage by stage. Whenever you have it, you just put in, because it's a long-term investment. And if you want to see how we started with this project this year, you can go to my playlist. The name of this project is called the Boom Project. So you can go there, and then you see how we started and how far we've come in just 4 months, I think 3.5 months, how far we've come. It's all about management, and getting the right team to do the job for you. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. And please don't forget to like the video. Please like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and share as well. Like I said, this is a motivational video to motivate someone to also start doing something back home. It's very important that at least you have something back home, just in case of emergency. There's a place for you to run to. That's the reason why we are all doing this. And just in case you also need a land, that is going to be developed in the next 10 years, 5 years, you can send me a message or contact Mr. Kwete, and we have some lands available going for sale. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.